Aray. Hey, what's up guys? I'm Verdin here giving you another YouTube video. So guys, ngayon po ay maglalaro tayo ng Granny 2D. Shit. Walang ICU. Ikaw ilagay sa ICU kasi may critical condition ka. Ang boba mo grandpa. I don't want to play, ha? Aray ko putek. We need something. Okay, I know. Yo, Granny. Yan si Granny pucha. I see you. Oh. Security key. Oh, I see you again. Putang inis. May maligram pa. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. I see you. Sa ngalan ng asawa mo, hindi na kayo. Hello, hot dog. There's the bed. There's that. Hey! Mukha akong bata dun. Yep. To the point na ice cream. Nagmukha na akong tanga. Okay, this is the security key. We need to go up. I know na kailangan natin yung glass fuse dito. Okay. Okay, we need a piece of picture. Piece of painting ata. So guys, dito ko na itatapos yung video kasi malapit na mag-storage. So alright tayo dyan. And hopefully na na-enjoy the video kahit short. So I hope you enjoy it. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe na kayo para makasali sa Team Chigoy. So alright tayo dyan. Hot dog, cheese dog, kakalog-kalog. Alright, sayonara.